Hi, I'm Larry Turner, manager of O'Reilly Auto Parts in Grass Valley. O'Reilly Auto Parts is proud to sponsor the 29th annual Downtown Car Show. Our store is located at 121 Olympia Park Road in Grass Valley. We're here to serve all your auto parts needs.
It's time for the most exciting car show in the West, the annual Downtown Grass Valley Car Show. There are classics and antiques, hot rods, and lots of pre-1972 American metal. Enjoy live music, fantastic food, street shopping, and all this excitement takes place in historic downtown Grass Valley, the true heart of the California Gold Rush. For more information on the show, lodging, and restaurants, go to historicgrassvalley.com.